So Doogee has quietly announced the V50 and the V50 Pro, which are the successors to the V40 series. Now the V50 Pro specifically is a much more better rugged phone. It is much more better than the V50 and the V40 series, and this is one of Doogee's top tier 5G rugged phones of 2026. In terms of specs, the phone packs a massive 11,000 mAh battery and it supports 66 watts fast charging, which is not a surprise because it's a rugged phone. The phone is also powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 300 chipset, which is far better than the Dimensity 7300 that powers the Doogee V40 Pro. It's paired with 12GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage, and it supports microSD card of up to 2TB. The phone also has a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus IPS display. It's a punch hole display and a 120Hz refresh rate. In the camera department, which is another upgrade over the V40 series, the phone is equipped with a 200MP Samsung ISOCELL HP2 main sensor, followed by an 8MP ultra wide angle lens that also functions as a macro lens, and a 64MP night vision camera. Now this night vision camera is much better than the 20MP night vision camera of the Doogee V40 Pro. There's also an additional 8MP telephoto lens according to Doogee. Anyway, the phone has a 32MP selfie shooter. Now this phone has a rear display, a 2-inch rear display to be exact, and thanks to the rear display you could actually take selfies using the main 200MP camera. The phone ships with the Android 16 and it's the stock Android 16, not an Android 16 based on any custom skin. Clean Android 16, so no unnecessary bloatware or ads. So other features include Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4, it supports NFC, a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, and Face ID. The device also supports Bluetooth walkie-talkie via intercom and push-to-talk over cellular. And since this is a rugged phone, it is rated IP68 and IP69K. It is also military standard 810H certified. So these are the top features of the Doogee V50 Pro. The device is not available yet. I don't think it's available yet, but if I could get the official launch date and price, I would definitely share with you guys. So make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So that's it for the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.